Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine out of soda. This easy guide will walk you through the simple steps to transform a sugary drink into a fermented beverage. You'll learn about the basic principles of fermentation and the minimal equipment needed. It's a fun and accessible project for anyone curious about home brewing, requiring just a few common items to get started on your very own soda wine. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need 1 gallon of your favorite sugary soda, making sure it contains real sugar for fermentation. Also, acquire 1 packet of wine yeast, a 1-gallon fermentation vessel, and an airlock. Don't forget a stopper for the vessel and a sanitizing solution to ensure everything is perfectly clean before you start your brewing adventure. Now let's get to the heart of the process, fermentation. First, sanitize your fermentation vessel and all tools meticulously. Pour the soda into the clean vessel, leaving about 2 inches of headspace. Add the wine yeast, gently stirring to dissolve it. Seal the vessel with the stopper and airlock, then store it in a cool, dark place for 2 to 3 weeks to ferment. Once fermentation is complete, it's time for bottling. Carefully siphon the clear wine from the fermentation vessel into clean, sanitized bottles, leaving the sediment behind. Cap or cork your bottles securely. Allow the wine to age for at least 1 to 2 weeks or even longer to develop its flavors. Then, chill and enjoy your homemade soda wine responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.